One of the problems when building a pond is you have to cobble lots of different products together to create a system, and this is where the Aquascape pond kits come in. They give you everything you need to create an ecosystem water feature that can turn this into this. Let's take a look at everything that comes within this kit. So one of the first things we'll talk about is the fleece and the Aquascape liner. Aquascape's actually started manufacturing liner as of last year. It's a 1.15mm EPDM rather than the conventional 1mm, so it's 10% thicker. This is mainly due to large rocks and gravel going into the systems. The kit comes with fleece to go underneath the liner. We would always recommend to purchase overlay because it's cheap insurance for the system. The next three products from this kit I want to talk about is the skimmer, the check valve and the pump. All three of these combine to draw water off the surface, take any of the leaf debris before it drops down and becomes a problem. So all you do is the check valve screws on top of the pump, then fits handily inside the skimmer. So when that pump turns on, it draws all the water through here, breaks the surface tension, draws all the water and surface debris into here. That is then caught by a basket, which is then emptied as required, depending on the season, depending on your trees and everything around the pond, anything like that. With the skimmer, you also get a really handy rock lid, covers over, makes it help kind of tie in with all the natural looking rock. So again, in completion to the kit, with everything you need inside that box, Aquascape provide their pipe work. It's a solvent weldable flexible pipe, so there's no need to worry about having to do elbows or anything like that, just a nice sweep around from your skimmer. Comes straight into your check valve, glues straight into there, all the way up towards your filter. So from the pipe work is the next part of the system. This is the biofills, and you see it comes with all these fancy components here. Pipe work goes into the back. Again, glued fittings come into there. The water percolates up through sponges, through bioballs. These bioballs have a huge surface area which helps cultivate good bacteria. As the water passes through the biofills, knocks off some of that bacteria, puts it into the pond, helps aid the natural element of the ecosystem. You also get a nice rock tray. That sits inside and at the top. You can gravel in this, plant around it, kind of trying to hide this best you can. So the last couple of products that come inside this kit are the doser, dosing liquid. They all come with a maintain, so it just helps add beneficial bacteria into the system to keep the ecosystem thriving all year round. Finally, you get this handy bag of accessories. It comes with silicone for your biofills and skimmer, glue for your pipework and fittings, a handy little patch for if you do make a mistake and go through the liner to make a repair, and it also comes with a can of foam. We do always recommend to get the more professional foam. It's bigger and it's gun grade. So that kind of covers everything you need to know about the Aquascape kits. As you can imagine, it comes with everything bar the rock and gravel you need. We can help put you into the right place of where to get it from and how much you need. If you have any questions on the products or Aquascape as a whole, let us know.